Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought an awesome and easy trick by help of which you will be able to write stylish 3D text just within a minute by help of the Pixellab. The link of the PLP file is given in the description, but password will be shown in the cards to the upper right corner of the video. So don't skip or don't try to download video you may not get the password. So let me show you how to make changes in the PLP file of 3D text by help of the Pixellab. For this purpose, just click on three dots and go to the Open PLP file option. By selecting this, it will bring you towards your projects. Click on PLP option and it will bring towards the gallery. Here you will find the PLP file which you have just downloaded by the link given in the description. By selecting this, here will come an option Open and Add. Select it. After that, go to the layer panels and scroll down. Here you will find text option. Just click on that and write the text and select the text whatever you want. Then adjust its size and relative position in the middle of the screen. Then come to the upper layer and write the same text here. The next step is that you just have to adjust the lights according to your own fonts. You can copy it by clicking on this icon. You can save it as your project, and after that you can change it as many times as you want to change. I hope you will like this. If you want to save it to the gallery, just click on that, choose the PNG and quality as ultra and save it to the gallery. Subscribe my channel for easy tricks and remain in touch with all type of new editing material.